Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find day 10 of the Onsen Egg Hunt in Heartopia. I will also be showing you guys where the bubble is for the egg. You will be able to see it in Blanc shop here, as you can see. And I am just going to take a picture with it. Now, once you're done, you are going to go to Blanc shop in the village city. I don't know what to call it. Not city, obviously, but this area. So I'm just going to teleport there. Here is the bubble, and here is where it is in the map, like in this area, Garden Street. So to jump up there, you can jump on the umbrella here and jump there. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.